Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. What a fantastic victory for Afghanistan in the fifth ODI against Ireland. Ireland won the toss and put up a strong total of 298 runs, setting Afghanistan a challenging target to chase. With almost 300 runs on the board, Ireland would have been confident about defending their total. But Afghanistan had other plans. The Afghan batters came out with confidence, controlled the pressure, and played some outstanding cricket throughout the chase. They kept the scoreboard moving and made sure that the required run rate never got out of control. Afghanistan showed great determination and composure while chasing this big target. The partnership between the batters was crucial, and they continued attacking whenever they got an opportunity. In the end, Afghanistan completed the chase in style, reaching the target with 8 balls remaining. What a brilliant performance by Afghanistan. Chasing 298 is never easy, but the Afghan team showed tremendous confidence, patience, and attacking intent to get over the line. This victory gives Afghanistan a fantastic start to the ODI series against Ireland. Ireland posted a competitive total, but Afghanistan's batting performance proved to be too strong on the day. A big congratulations to Afghanistan on this impressive victory. And now the question is, can Afghanistan continue this winning momentum in the next ODI and take control of the series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Who was your standout player of the match? If you enjoyed this match update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more cricket updates, match highlights, and exciting news. Thanks for watching.